Oh.
Got one?
Got him. Got a nice one. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one.
Off the front of the boat.
Oh. What's going on, guys? We've got some madness going on right now. We are out on the Chesapeake Bay trying to do some speck fishing and maybe search for some reds, but... Huh?
In an undisclosed
location. Yeah, in an undisclosed location. We got birds diving all around us. We have gotten into some specks. And I'm talking some big specks, like gator trout. Oh my gosh. Literally just started fishing, found some birds working. Found some grass beds, started casting, started hooking up. It happened so quick. So, what do we have, like 5 more keepers to keep? 5 more? We can keep 12?
I don't know.
4, 8, 12. Yeah, and then
keep fishing?
We're gonna keep fishing. This is insane. Absolutely crazy. Uh-oh.
On the big thing. Not even big. I don't think. He's just hungry. Decent. I can
Got him B.
Big 7 inch.
Oh, look at that, folks. He hit the big 7 inch. Whew, that's a nice trout right there, B. Hold him up for me. That's a nice trout. Look at that 7 inch pearl. Ooh, look at there, folks. That's what I'm talking about right there. It's a beautiful trout.
He's going back.
It's all good.
You going back there, Brady? Oh yeah, they're still feeding back there, diving. Yeah. Come on, baby. Dude, it was crazy for a second. Oh.
You got one?
Got him. Got a nice one. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one.
Off the front of the boat.
Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, it's a nice one. Got him, baby. Oh my gosh, dude. Freaking giant gator trout. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Just think about that right there, baby. Holy crap. Boom. Filling that freezer box. Hey, who's the one that's been telling you? Both of us, all 3 of us have been saying it for the past 2 weeks. Guys have been catching them. Guys have been catching them.
What's that, 8?
8. I got you, I got you, I got you. No, I got the net right here.
Way out there. Way out there.
Go ahead. Go ahead, G. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Just keep it tight.
Yeah, just
get slack. He's off.
Where's he at? Should be getting close. Yeah, oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, he wants to run now.
Make that run. I'm not gonna drag on.
Yeah, he's just digging.
You ready?
Yep. Yep. Swells.
A little smaller.
Oh! Got him! Oh, he got off and I saved him.
What to save?
Boom! Oh
smaller
my
fish.
gosh. That's still a keeper.
That's a keeper.
That's a freaking keeper. I think you know where this about to go.
Hey.
Where are you going? Where are you going? I was gonna throw back, actually.
I got the bait cast.
Oh, okay. Okay. You trying to get jiggy with it? Oh, is that weightless or no? Oh, you're going weightless. Got one?
Huh?
He's got one. He's got one.
Nice.
Let's see, where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at?
Right here. That's a good one.
Oh!
That's a good. He hit it twice.
Dude, that's a nice one. That's a freaking nice one.
Oh,
Dude. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Just over right there.
Yeah, it's blue and like a shiner.
Yeah.
Eggs.
Got one. Oh, come back and get it. Yeah.
Yeah, he had it.
He messed it up. He messed it up.
Yeah. There he is.
Oh, nice one. Nice one. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Dude, you're crushing them.
This color is killing.
Dude, nice. Oh, that's a nice one.
Always coming at me hard.
Yeah.
Not wants to do.
Not. Ooh.
There he is. Oh, there he is.
Oh, Dad's hooked up. Here.
Here, just drop him out.
Dude, big fish. Big fish, man.
Yeah.
Big
That's
fish.
a big boy. So
What'd you say?
he hit it and came back.
Dude, this is madness.
So all the fish are right on it.
This is madness. I know, I gotta get my bait back in the water. I feel like I'm netting every fish for you guys.
I'll let him.
It's alright, he's right here. I'll get him. He's right here.
Is he big? I mean, I can't tell. This rod's light, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's a floater!
Yeah, right. Yeah, nice trout. That's a trout.
That's a trout.
Where? Get him up.
A little smaller? No?
Take your time. No, that's a good one.
That's a decent one.
That's
smaller
still.
bait though. Yeah. Guys, remember that. Smaller bait. Alright, Roder, here you go.
Hey now.
Smaller bait, smaller fish. So Brady, I went to a little, about that big. Oh yeah, I know.
There you go. Alright, Brady, you're gonna have to let me catch another one.
Down to it. Well, I'm messing around with different bait.
We should go back. We kind of drifted.
I got one. First cast on.
Brady's got another one, dude.
I'll film. I don't mind filming.
Grab the big camera and film then, G.
It's the retrieval, bro.
That looks like a nice one.
No, I think he's a little smaller.
A little small.
No, maybe not. Yeah, it's a chunk, dude.
Who's getting him?
Should we keep him or? It's a chunk.
Dude, you got to keep that one. It's a chunky one.
I mean, oh, he just popped off. Got a little bit of drag on it for this wind.
Here, I'll hand you the net.
Got a boat coming out the island.
Here you go, Brady. Here you go, Brady.
It's set there, so. Medium ultralight rod here.
Non-stop action, guys.
They're liking this.
You want me in the back?
They're liking this gulp right now.
Oh, tighten your drag.
Set the drag a little loose. Got this wind current.
I see him.
Is he not big? He's every bit of 12 pounds. That's your go-to saying. He's every bit of 12 ounces. He just looks heavy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh no, that's a giant.
Watch the line, watch the line.
Dude.
That's a gator. That's a gator.
Oh my. Oh.
That's a gator.
Oh my gosh, that is a giant trout.
As Troy Landry would say, that's a rougarou.
Oh my.
I got him.
Hold him up.
Got him all.
Hold that fish up. That's a giant trout.
That's a fat trout. Here you go.
Oh my.
You got him?
Yes. Oh,
Ooh.
bluefish?
Shark's going after him.
No, I think it's a trout.
It's a trout. Nice one. Where's the net at? It's running out. Yeah, can you give me the net? It's a big one. Or you can net him.
I can try.
Oh, here, I'll get him.
Can you get him?
Ooh, that's a big fish. Did you get him?
That's a big one.
Big fish. Big fish. Big fish.
There we go.
Big fish. Measure him.
No, he's only about 19 or 20.
He's only 20?
Yeah.
He's just fat.
Oh, he might be 21.
He's just fat.
Throw him on there. He might be 21. He's probably 20, is my guess.
I'll spread it down so I can actually read it. Dude, no, it's not right. That's not right.
No, you gotta pull this out.
I was about to say 24, 21.
Got another one. Another solid one.
Egg sacs.
Here he comes, folks. Nice fish. Nice fish. Look at you. Brady's just killing them today. Brady is, I mean, he's lighting them up, B. Woo! Yes, look at here, boys. Look at here, boys and girls. Look at here. Hold that big old gator trout up here.
Look at that.
Whew!
Look at them teeth. Choked it.
Team Water's getting it done today, huh?
Oh, double. Dylan's got one.
I got a small one.
Dad's got one.
I got a little small one. Yeah, this one's not very big either. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Oh, never mind.
Oh, let me get
Never
the
mind.
net. Let me get the net.
Never mind.
Oh,
jumped
my
off too.
Both got off.
That was legit.
That was probably about a.
I had about a 15-incher.
Mine was probably 8 or no, probably.
Oh,
Like
yours was 20.
Fish.
Yeah, that was easy 20.
Legit.
Got him.
We're gonna be filleting.
Got him. Oh, he feels heavy.
We're gonna be filleting the trout in a minute.
He feels heavy. Oh, he's digging. He's digging. Oh. Here you go. 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 Oh, baby. Oh. Gosh, man.
Dude. Solid.
Gosh.
Solid fish. The cork's so big, you can go up under there.
Oh. Dude, look at that. That's a fatty. Another one? Someone's gonna have to pick the camera up. This is madness.
Oh, 3.6, 3.5.
Now's the time to throw your Topwater.
Small one.
That's still a solid one.
Topwater? You're right about that, Dylan.
Gotta be. Got him. Here, pelicans are coming back a lot.
Back from that high flip.
Yeah. Where's that net? I could probably net him myself. Actually, I'm gonna boat flip him. Might be the smallest one of the day.
Yeah, I have a little smaller now. We kept a couple that were small.
Dude, he inhaled that.
Oh,
Get him, Brady.
G's hooked up.
Close to the
Oh, I'm
boat.
about to get one. Got one.
Oh, Dylan's hooked up.
Oh, dude.
We're in them thick.
Dude, this is a
We're-
nice fish.
I got the net again.
I got a solid fish.
Should I net yours?
Get that one. This one's going crazy.
I got a solid
It's
fish.
so hard to
Light's
net.
back on.
It's so hard to net with one hand.
This light rod, baby.
It's fun now.
I can probably net him.
Dude, this is a big. This is a.
Oh, look at the boil.
Oh my God.
His got on too.
going on? Dude, that was a big fish.
Y'all are
That was
losing
like
him.
22.
He just lost a citation.
Come on, get another one so I can
Holy
get back in on it.
I'm trying to let you.
There he is.
G's got one. Another one.
Oh, I just missed.
Oh,
We're
Dylan
stacked
missed.
up. We're stacked up.
Dude, I just missed it.
I'm gonna have to go bigger bait because I'm getting smaller fish.
Give me another.
Little smaller fish. I gotta go little drag on him here. Just Tom,
Get him.
Oh, he inhaled
Get
it.
him, Timmy.
Oh, got him? Found one. I got you, B. Watt.
Fish for 1,000 casts.
More like 1,000 fish for 1,000 casts. Got some crazy marks on him. Dude, what the heck? I know, he looks wild. Yeah.
Just drop it.
And dude, look at the top of him.
I know.
Dad, you see that? Wild looking. It's a hybrid mackerel.
This might be a rat.
Holy crap. I gotta get this out of the way. Rockfish. Oh, it's a nice rockfish.
No, he did. This one doesn't feel it.
Dude, nice rockfish. Dude, the slam.
The fish was way heavier.
Mm.
rockfish.
Dude, there's probably. Nice, man.
Kick us out of here and come back.
Yeah, let's keep it. Let's keep going. Let me see that fish. You should get a measure him. Dude, that's a nice fish. Holy crap. Alright guys, well, it is the following day and all I can say is we had a great trip. Trailered the boat down to southern Maryland, ran across the bay to Tangier Sound, and we got into the specs really good. It seemed like everything we were throwing at them, they were hitting. The water clarity down there was beautiful. I live up by Deal, and on the Chesapeake Bay up by us, the water's been stained so bad, but you know, we were throwing Z-Man paddle tails, we were throwing flukes, we were throwing popping corks, even caught some on some peeler crab. It was incredible. Easily one of the best days on the water I have ever had on the Chesapeake Bay. It was awesome. So I think we're going to plan to do a few more trips down there soon. Hopefully the fish will stick around and we can get on them pretty good. So should be doing that again soon. But until then guys, if you liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. It really means a lot. So see you next time.